In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete columns in Clickup. If you're looking to streamline your Clickup workspace by removing unwanted columns, you're in the right place. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring that your journey is as smooth as possible. Let's first navigate to Clickup's official website. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the home page. A button labelled Log In will be your next destination. Click on this button to proceed to the next page where you'll be signing in to your account. For users who've linked their accounts with Google, there's a convenient option here. You'll want to click on Sign in with Google to use your Google credentials for a swift login. You'll be prompted to select the Google account associated with your Clickup profile. Simply choose the correct account from the list presented, and you'll be directed into your Clickup dashboard. Now that you're logged in, the next task is to select a list where the column you want to manage is located. From your main dashboard, navigate to the left-hand sidebar and pick the list that contains the column in question. This will bring up all the tasks and information associated with that specific list. With the list open, it's time to locate the column you wish to delete. At the top of the list view, you'll see all the column headers. Carefully identify the column you no longer need, hover over this column header to access more options. Once you've pinpointed the column header, the next action is to right-click on it. This action will open a context menu with a variety of options for managing the column settings. Within this menu, there's an option labelled Delete View. That's precisely the option you're looking for. Click on Delete View to initiate the removal of the column from your list. Having followed through these steps, your unwanted column should now be successfully removed from your Clickup list. It's always a good idea to review any changes to ensure everything is just as expected. Removing unnecessary columns can help in maintaining a neat and efficient workspace, letting you focus more on the tasks that matter. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you found the process straightforward. Deleting columns is just one of the many ways you can customize your Clickup experience to better suit your needs. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thank you for joining me today, and happy organizing in Clickup.